In this example, the line L1 has equation 3x plus 5y minus 7 equals 0. Find the gradient of L1. That's part A, and the line. So for us to answer this question, first we start with part A. So for us to find the gradient of L1, we would have, first we write the equation, so it is 3x plus 5y minus 7 equals 0. So the first step would be to rearrange it in the form of y. So that would give us, we move the 7, we keep the 5y on the left hand side, and we move the x and the 3x. So that will give us 3x minus 3x, or 7 minus 3x. So now the next step will be dividing everything by 5, so we can, because we want to, the reason why we're doing this, because we want it to be represented in the form of y equal mx plus c. So the way we do that, now we have y equal 7 minus 3x all over 5, and we want this to be in the form of y equal mx plus c. So in this scenario, y equal 7 over 5, we would have actually minus 3x over 5 plus 7 over 5. So m will be equal to minus 3 over 5, which is the gradient of the equation. Now for part B, the line 2 is perpendicular to line 1 and passes through the point 6 and minus 2. We're asked to find the equation of line 2 in the form of y equal mx plus c, where m and c are constants. So we can write part B here. So in this scenario, we managed to find the gradient, which is minus 3. And since they're perpendicular, we're told that L2 is perpendicular to L1. So that will tell us that the gradient of the gradient will be, in the scenario, minus 3 over 5 multiplied by m. So that should give us minus 1, so essentially inverting the gradient. So that will give us, in the scenario, m to be equal to 5 over 3, as we are inverting the sign, and also because that's the relationship between the normal gradient and the perpendicular and the tangent gradient. So that will be the new gradient that we will use. So now we will sub that into the equation y equal mx plus c. So that will give us y equal 5 over 3x plus c. Now we sub the values of, so now we say sub 6 and minus 2 into equation. So that will give us minus 2 equal 5 over 3x. So x will be, in the scenario, 6 plus c. So that will help us to find the value of c. So now when we try to rearrange this, we would have minus 2 on the left hand side, and we would have 3 divided here. That will give us equal 10 plus c. So that will give us c to be equal to minus 12. Now then the equation will be, in this scenario, 5 over 3x minus 12, and this will be our answer for part B of this question.